Multiply using formula. Example 95 into 96. 95 into 96 we have to write it as 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. Here we use x plus a x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab is the formula. Here x is equal to 100, x is equal to 100 and a is equal to plus a is there, therefore a value is here minus 5, a value minus 5 and b minus 4, b value is minus 4. Therefore this is equal to x square, x is 100 square plus a plus b. A is minus 5 plus minus minus b is minus 4. X is 100 plus a value minus 5, a minus 5 into b minus 4. This equal to 100 square is 10,000 plus minus minus plus, adding these 5 plus 4 minus 9 into 100 plus minus minus plus 5 4s are 20. 10,000 plus minus minus 9 into 100, 900 plus 20. 10,000 minus 900 is 9,100 plus 20. Adding these two, 9,120 is answer.